Hey everyone! Big thanks to our new subscribers for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that button to stay updated with the latest and hottest car accessories on Amazon. And if you like the item featured in this video, you'll find the product link down below. Attention Ford Explorer owners, we've done the research for you and rounded up the top-rated accessories and replacement parts that drivers are grabbing on Amazon right now. Get ready to see the most popular picks trusted by fellow owners just like you. Center Console Organizer Tray. Compatible with Ford Explorer 2020 to 2025. Window rain guards. Fit for Ford. Explorer 2020 to 2025. Premium belt tensioner assembly with pulley compatible with Ford Explorer. Ford Explorer 2020 to 2025 aluminum performance pedal set. Windshield Cowl Grille top panel. Compatible with Ford Explorer 2011 to 2019. Side mirror puddle light LED lamp Ford Explorer. (2025) Ford Explorer screen protector. Windshield sunshade for 2020 to 2025. Ford Explorer. Floor mats for 2020 to 2025. Ford Explorer accessories. Key fob keyless entry fits for Ford Explorer, 1998 to 2016. Hey there! Got a suggestion for my next video? Drop it in the comments. Your ideas drive this channel. See you in the comments.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.